Isang, happy birthday. Sapay ko ba, pagkantaman ti ado nga tawon, kano makapasyan ka man ti Londonan, mailig kami med kanyang manan. So, happy birthday, and again, and again, and again. Okay.
Hindi mo. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to
Happy birthday, sister. I wish you good health.
Happy birthday, Manang. Wishing you more birthdays to come. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mama Ellen. To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mama Ellen. Wish ko namin lagi ka sanang healthy para marami ka pang matutulungan tulad namin. Tapos, miss na miss ka na po namin. Ingat ka po lagi dyan. We love you!
Love you.
Say happy birthday, Mama Ellen! Flying kiss. Flying kiss. Yay! Bye-bye!
Happy birthday po, Auntie Ellen.
Happy birthday po, Mama Ellen.
Enjoy your day po. Sana po ay lagi kayong healthy at malayo sa sakit. More reels to come. Love, love. God bless po.
Happy birthday, Mama Ellen. Happy birthday, Ma. More birthdays to come and God bless you. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ma. We love you always and good health. And sana lagi ka pang i-bless ni Lord at humaba pa yung buhay mo para pagdating ng panahon, kami naman yung mag-i-spoil sa'yo. Thank you sa lahat, Ma. We love you.
Ellen! Happy birthday po! Wish you all the best. Sana po mapagkalooban po kayo ng mahabang buhay and sana maging successful po kayo sa ginagawa niyo sa Facebook. Support na support po kami dyan, Auntie. And we love you po and we miss you. Sana makabalik na po kayo ulit agad sa Pinas. Happy birthday, Auntie!
Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mama Ellen. Happy birthday, Mama Ellen.
Happy birthday po, Mama Ellen. Happy birthday, Mama Ellen.
We love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Mama Ellen.
Happy birthday.
Gojo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, ate. Wish ko lang marami ka pang birthday darating. Always good health. Stay happy, humble, and kind for everybody. Napakabait mo. I know that. Kaya, i-bless ka ni Lord ng marami pa. Maraming pa kasi mabait ka pong tao. You're a good-hearted Yan lang ate ko kasi start working na naman. Thank you sa kabaitan mo sa anak ko din, sa apo ko, kina F. Salamat ate ko. Love you. Enjoy your day.
Hey Alan, happy birthday from Afghanistan! Wish you all the best there! Alright?
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday, oh! Santa Claus! Ho, 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 ho. Hey Alan, how are you doing? It's your day. It's your special day. I'm watching you every single day on your reels. You're doing good. You're really doing good. I hope you see you more content on your reels and more birthdays to come. Happy birthday, Alan. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Auntie Ellen! Thank you for bonding time natin sa Rome. Masayang-masaya po ako. Looking forward na sana makapag-bonding ulit tayo kasi hindi naman na tayo nagkakasama lagi-lagi. Thank you sa lahat ng natuturo mo sa amin in many ways sa pagmamahal, saka sa pagiging generous sa aming lahat. Thank you! Stay healthy po and happy! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Mama! Ang wish namin para sa iyo at syempre, good health. Maraming birthday pa ang dumating sa buhay mo para sa ganun naman ay magsama-sama pa tayo ng matagal. Thank you, Ma, sa pagmamahal mo sa amin. Sana wag ka magbabago. Mahal na mahal ka din namin. Andito lang kami para sa iyo.
Happy birthday, Mama Ellen. Happy birthday po sa ating dalawa. Love you po.
Happy birthday, Mama!
Happy birthday, Auntie Ellen. May God bless you on your birthday. Wishing you all the happiness, peace, and good health. Sana hindi ka magbago at lagi mong iisipin na maraming nagmamahal sa'yo. We love you so much. Happy birthday, Ante.
Hello ma, happy birthday. Have a good health ma. And sana lagi kang mag-iingat dyan. Huwag kang magkakasakit, ha? Christian and I will always love you ma, as in so much. Mwah. Happy birthday po ulit ma. See you soon and thank you for being sweet and caring mother-in-law, and thank you for the kind lahat nak, as in pagmamahal, diba? Tinuring nyo na po akong anak, so sobrang thank you. Proud po ako na maging mother-in-law kita. Thank you ma. Happy birthday. See you soon. At namimiss ko na rin po yung sabay, gigisingin nyo ako tuwing umaga at para magkape. Thank you ma sa lahat. I love you. Happy birthday. Mwah.
Happy birthday sa isa sa pinakamabait, pinaka-sweet, at isa sa pinaka-generous na tao sa balat na lupa, Auntie Ellen. Nag-iisa ka, isa kang alamat, isa kang legend, isa kang anghel sa lupa. Miss na kitang kalaro, ante, dun sa word beats na nilalaro natin. I love you!
Hi, Ellen! Happy birthday! Sana maging masaya ka na sa kung may love life. Happy birthday! Sana maging masaya na ang pagiging lola. Miss na kita, more travel, and good health ang wish ko sa iyo. Bye!
Hello mga ka-reels! Alam nyo ba, kapag ikaw pala ay nag-iisa, wala ka palang kasama? O mga ka-reels, nanood ako ng balita kanina. ang sabi sa balita, ang sobra palang pag-inom ng alak ay nakakasira sa atay. So, ang gawin ninyo, huwag na kayong manood ng balita. Yung Anghel ang pangalan mo, pero mukha ka namang masungit. Huwag kang malungkot. Kung si Joy nga, hindi naman masaya. Tawa ka naman, kahit di nakakatawa. O kapatid, kung wala kang swerte sa pag-ibig, di punta ka sa PhilHealth. Lahat po tayo ay nakararanas ng matinding problema sa buhay. Kaya kung may problema ka mang kinakaharap, di tumalikod ka.